And as we take a live look at the George Washington Bridge, you can see there is some traffic heading into New York, but it's not too bad. Traffic is moving along. With no trains moving, many people are taking their cars into New York. If driving is not an option, here are your alternative options through the weekend. You can use existing New Jersey Transit bus service or New Jersey Transit Light Rail. NJT will be cross-honoring train tickets there. You can also take PATH trains, Amtrak trains, or ferry service in and out of Manhattan. But in those cases, there will be no cross-honoring of rail tickets, and you'll need to pay the full fare. So how are commuters adjusting? Eyewitness News reporter Nina Pineda is live in Newark to continue our coverage. Nina?
Sade, if you didn't get to work from home and have to get home after arriving here at Newark Penn via either PATH or Amtrak, like you were mentioning, is going to cost you. Buses from here can handle about 20% of the capacity, but it seems like rideshare is going to be the move for people getting here and then finding themselves stranded. At least locals were aware of the strike. But this is a very busy transit hub, and people coming in from different parts of the country or the world got here and were clueless.
We just step into the country, we don't know.
So you want to get to New York for the first time?
Yeah, to see what's happening.
Trying to take their first bite out of the Big Apple, but bitten by the strike. Tourists arriving to the 7th busiest rail station in the country, clueless about why New York Penn's nearly vacant.
We don't have any idea about it.
We have to call someone, relatives, so that we can get any idea about it.
You're going to call your relatives?
Yeah.
We was thinking that we're gonna train and go and have fun, but I don't know right now what I'm going to do.
They're stuck on the Jersey side trying to get to Manhattan. This family got stranded in the city after dinner last night, attempting to get back to their Airbnb in Newark. But at 12:01 on the dot, all rail service stopped.
We didn't make it. We were out, we were eating, so.
Did you know that strike was even happening?
No, we didn't know. We only found out yesterday on our way back to Newark.
Now Dad's stuck with 10 NJT tickets that he bought but can't use this weekend.
I have to live here in 2 days. And I bought those tickets for my family so that we can all be going to New York every day.
It's been really busy and hectic, and a lot of things are, it's like you're trying to move things around and try to help passengers left and right.
Anyone going to Newark Airport, that's the most every time.
Transit workers were guiding stranded rail riders to their destinations via bus or Uber, but wallets will be a lot lighter for commuters and cabbies alike, spending more and earning less as long as this strike lasts.
I normally only pay the fare, which is like $8, I think, for my station, so it's an additional $25.
Do you think overall the strike is going to be better or worse for your business?
It will be worse.
All right, who's doing better? Uber and Lyft. I just checked. Uber to get to someplace like Summit is going to cost you at least $50. And you know what's interesting? Commuters that are coming here to try to get home, some of them have never, ever taken an alternative route other than New Jersey Transit. So they're kind of learning what to take. That last strike was 42 years ago. Coming up at 6, we talked to some people that have never taken Amtrak and then alternatives to get home. So we'll hear from them at 6. For now, we're live at Newark Penn. Nina Pineda, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
What a mess indeed. Nina, thank you for that.